YouTube is one of the best ways to get more leads, book more calls, and close more clients. It builds trust, boosts show up rates, and can even bring in free traffic. But let's be real, making videos is a pain. It takes time, gear, editing, and getting comfortable on camera. So what if you didn't have to do any of that? What if you could clone yourself with AI and have your digital twin make all your videos for you? No more filming, no more setup. Just type what you want to say, and your AI version of you says it, realistically. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. HeyGen just dropped a massive update, HeyGen 4, and the difference is crazy. Facial expressions are smoother, gestures feel natural, and overall it's way more realistic. In fact, the video you're watching right now, that's my AI clone talking. Could you tell? Maybe. Maybe not. The tech is now good enough that most people won't notice, which is huge for business owners who want to make videos but don't have time to film. All right, let's jump into how to create your own digital AI avatar twin. Step 1, clone your image. Start by recording yourself talking for 3 to 5 minutes. Here's the key. The quality of your AI avatar depends entirely on the quality of your video. If your lighting's bad or your gestures are off, your avatar will show it. That said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do your best, get started, and you can always improve later. Even this video could be slightly better, but I'm not waiting for perfection. I'm just getting started. When you record, you can talk about anything. Just keep it continuous for 3 to 5 minutes. No cuts, no edits. I recorded all my videos just using my iPhone on a tripod. No fancy gear needed. Once you're done, just sign up for HeyGen using the link in the description. Right now, there's a free trial, though it comes with a HeyGen watermark. Inside HeyGen, click Create a Digital Avatar and upload your footage. In an hour or two, you'll have your very own AI twin. And the best part, HeyGen lets you create up to 100 different looks for your avatar, all for the same price. You can do the same thing with your AI avatar. Create different looks, try different outfits, gestures, poses, whatever you want. The only catch? Right now the voice sounds, well, like AI. That brings us to step 2, clone your voice. If you want your AI twin to actually sound like you, you'll need a voice clone. And for that, I recommend ElevenLabs. In my opinion, it's by far the best for this. You can check it out and sign up using the link in the description. Head over to ElevenLabs and create an account. Then upload at least an hour of clean audio of you speaking. The more you upload, the better and more realistic your voice clone will sound. Use words you normally say in your YouTube videos, ads, or content. That way, your AI twin sounds like you. It doesn't really matter what you say, just make sure you're talking for at least an hour. 2 hours? Even better. After that, just connect ElevenLabs to HeyGen using their built-in integration. From there, your AI avatar can say anything you type in your voice. Step 3 is where it gets fun, creating your actual AI videos. Once your avatar and voice are ready, just copy and paste your script into HeyGen. You can do the same for ads, sales videos, personalized messages, anything you need. Click Generate, and HeyGen will create a full video with your AI clone presenting your content. I do recommend making a few tweaks afterward. Use tools like Descript, CapCut, or any editor to add B-roll, captions, cuts, or effects to make it more engaging. And that's it. You now have a fully functioning AI version of yourself that can create content 24/7. No camera, no lighting, no editing headaches. Imagine the time you'll save, the consistency you can maintain, and the reach you can get, all without ever stepping in front of a camera again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip on using AI to grow your business. And if you want to get started with your own AI digital twin, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.